The course you go now, Sunshine Girl Khadija Williams and assistant coach Kerry Brown are due back home on Friday following a mishap on their recent trip to Australia. Williams lost her travel documents when her bag was stolen at a shopping mall in Sydney following the conclusion of the three-test series against Australia. Williams has now received her emergency travel documents and she along with Brown are now on their way home. Netball Jamaica has said the costs to bring the two ladies home could rise to as much as $1 million Jamaican dollars. The local governing body got assistance from Manpower and Maintenance Services Limited on Tuesday to help offset the airfare.
It's been a difficult week figuring out all the logistics, and we're very, very grateful to Manpower Maintenance Services for this donation. We're very close to bringing the player and the coach home, and they're booked on a flight on Thursday Australia time, which is Wednesday for us, to head back to Jamaica via Chile and Panama. We had to find a circuitous route to get them back home, but hopefully by Friday they will be on Jamaican soil and this will be behind us.
In the meantime, Netball Jamaica President Karen Baugh says that the local governing body will look at how players' travel documents are handled for future overseas assignments.
It's definitely something in our protocols we have to take another look at. There are two schools of thought about whether you keep the passports together or the players keep them, but it depends on the situation. And this was kind of unforeseen. Sometimes it's just one wrong decision, and you're in a strange country, so you don't know what's going on around you sometimes. So I'm sure the player has definitely learned the lesson, and so have we. So there's definitely some, background work